Hell yeah.
What's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. And on my way home, well, before I left the shop to go home, I got a package in the mail, right? So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike if you dislike, comment, share all the good stuff. I don't even remember what I said now. But again, I hate to say and hate to remind myself at times, but I was not able to go to CT. But in the midst of not being able to go to CT, there was a lot of stuff that came out. Of course, y'all seen my video of the gold magic clips that I missed. There was some other opportunities that I missed, but things go on, right? So in the missing the event, I missed a big reveal and a big drop from Babyliss. But thank you to Dennis. I appreciate you very much. I was able to get a set, right? It came in today. I haven't had a chance to use these. Haven't even opened them up yet. But here we are with the snaps. The snaps. Say it with me. The snaps. All right? So we got the SnapFX, the clipper, SnapFX, the trimmer. If y'all haven't paid attention to it, Babyliss has been, they was hyping it up before CT because CT was the big release of the new clippers, right? At first, nobody knew what the heck was going on. We was all just waiting in anticipation for the new drop. I don't remember the price of these, but I'll press it on put them on the screen. The clipper is, and the trimmer is. Those are the prices, right? So at first we didn't know what it was. They was just hyping it up. They was like, here, look at this. And everybody, like, I got conversations, DMs, emails, messages, me and different people just trying to figure out what it might be, right? But they have brought us a new way of charging. Somewhat of a new way of charging, right? So this is just gonna be an unboxing. Like I said, I haven't been able to open these yet. I haven't used them today. Usually I do try to unbox, but I was waiting on these. I just couldn't get anything. I couldn't find any time to actually use them, right? What they say? Unlimited cordless runtime, right? So we're gonna unbox the clipper first. So as you see, charging dock comes with 2 batteries. Excuse me. Comes with 2 batteries. I was about to say what's the runtime, but there's no runtime. Who needs a runtime? This is it got a LED ring light indicator, show you when it's dying. Got the click lever, all metal housing, the black diamond, the fade blade. Then they got the little snap on. It got 6,800 RPM. I gotta look and see what the original FX was because I think these might be the boost, but with this new battery charging, dual charging station, charging stand. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. As you see, this is the regular. It's in the the container as the FXs and stuff. So it is the container, bigger container because you got the charging dock and everything in it. All right. Woo. Let's open these things up. Put that there. I don't even know how I get these out of there. How I get these out of there. All right. Let me take this box off. Man, like, I was so devastated I couldn't make it to CT. Something came up. I just wasn't able to make it. But they said planning for next year starts soon. So, all right. So what you get is these are the batteries. They I guess the trimmer and the clipper come with two batteries, their own batteries. And of course, I was about to turn it on because, I'm not used to the battery being out. But that's the design. It is the FX. Nothing changed with the design. Got the grip there. Click lever. Same thing pretty much. Let me take this off. I wanna go ahead and pop this thing in. I wanna see what they talking about. So you see the blade, the clipper. You got the clipper. Like I said, it comes with 2 batteries. So, boom. Got a little life on it. LED ring light down there. We ready to go, right? So let me take this out. Come with the charging dock. If I can get this apart. It's a lot in this one thing here. I'm trying to make sure I don't bust nothing up. All right. So it comes with the guards. They're kind of the snap-on guards. They're not the magnetics or anything. Just a little snap-on Babyliss guards. Then of course you get the Babyliss screwdriver, clipper cover and oil, clipper brush. This is the charging dock. I have a smaller station, so it is kind of bulky for me, but of course it's still gonna get the job done. Now does that charge with that in there? Or do you have to take the batteries out to charge them? Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, let me unravel this real quick. This technology is very, very nice. So once you got it plugged in, it got the LED light. I don't think this charges with it in there. So you gotta have it, take the batteries out, but put the batteries in, and you can see they got the LED ring light showing that it's charging. Take it out, push right there, take that apart. So now you're never running out of battery life. A lot of people get on me when I be talking about the battery life of something sucks and this and that. And they always say, you got a charging dock, so but this is like another level of charging. I do want to see how long each battery lasts though. You know what I'm saying? But it's like a battery going dead, right? So take it, you put it in. That battery start dying. This one already on the charger. You take that one, you put that in the charger, boom, you reload the clip, right? You reload the clip and you're ready to go. I like that. I like that design. Like I said, I got a smaller station. I will make another video, of course, when I review it and see how it fit on my station and everything. I do got a lot of clutter on my station. Not in the sense of stuff that don't belong. It's just a few different items, right? So, excuse me. Of course, I got the crazy good box. I got my little container here, but we're gonna figure it out. So, that is the SnapFX clipper, 6,800 RPM. It's not bad. We're gonna set that to the side. Let that go ahead and start charging now. And then you got the trimmer. The trimmer, of course, comes with the 2 batteries. Also has a hanging hook. 7,200 RPM. And I know, like I said, I know it's saying unlimited cordless runtime, but I do want to know how long each battery lasts. I'm pretty sure we can figure that out as we go along. We're gonna open this, and again, you're gonna get the same thing pretty much. Of course, you're not gonna get the guards, but take that out. If I can get it out. 2 batteries, smaller machine. Well, they is in here in this plastic though. I ain't mad though. You don't want nothing falling out. Hear all that racket going on. All that racket down there. All right. So we put that there. The charging dock. See, they are a little bulky. All right, you're gonna take up some space. All right. Hopefully, you know, we got enough room on everybody's station. All right, let me untie this. I don't see no pamphlet. Usually I throw them away, but now I need one. I want to see how long each battery lasts. I know it's unlimited runtime based on how the setup is, but I still would like to know how long each battery lasts. But you get the zero gap tool, the brush, the oil, clipper, blade cover, and then they got another bracket in there. Then of course we're gonna plug this up. Boom. Same thing going. All right. So you do have to, you can't just pick it up and put it in there. You got to make sure you do have it turned the correct way. Make sure you got it turned the correct way. I do like this though. Like, there's gonna be people, and I don't want to say I understand, but I kind of understand. But there's gonna be people saying that it's just basically a charging dock or whatever. But you got to understand that day in, day out, especially if you are an FX fan. If you are an FX fan, you got I'm pretty sure you can put another blade. You put the gold blade on there, whatever blade you like to use. I like to use the gold FX blade. You got your battery in there. It's dying. Yeah, you can go to another trimmer, but let's say I got one trimmer set up just right. Like my gold FX is set up perfectly. And I got another FX, it's set up good, but the blade just, it can't get where I want it to get. And I always want to keep my Gold FX on a charger. If I get this blade right, you get what I'm saying? I got this battery in there. It dies. Let's say it runs 2 hours. I don't know how long each battery lasts, but let's say it's 2 hours. Instead of me having to go to my other trimmer and try to make sure that that's getting my cuts done throughout the day, boom, I just put the other battery in. We ready to go. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. Is that a little bit longer than, just a tad bit longer than the original? That battery adds a little room to it. So it's a little bit longer, nothing crazy. It don't got that loud rattle either. 7,200 RPM. That you can feel that power. All that boosting they was talking about, the electricity, you can feel that power in there. I like that. And they also have this here. They got this little cover, comes off, easy to clean. Make sure you ain't got no hair deep down in there. Also, you can get into there and, change that, the blade a little bit easier. You can use it with it off. I wouldn't recommend it. You're going to get all that hair dunk in there, and then you going down on people's beard, you might get caught up. But take it off, run cooler, magnetic, pop right back on. I like that too. Magnetic, pipe back on. That's cool, man. So I wish I would have been there for the big release to actually see it live. I always have this, I wasn't old enough, or I was old enough, but I didn't know a lot about no smartphones and all that. But I watched Steve Jobs give the keynote for the first iPhone maybe once a year, right? Just watch the whole thing, because yeah, we got the iPhone now. I got these now, but sometimes it's just good to see something drop for the first time. I always have like an envious jealousy for the people in that crowd to see the iPhone talked about for the first time. I wish I could have been one of them people like, I don't think that's gonna be a good idea. I don't like it, but then turn around and it's the iPhone. You get what I'm saying? It's just, I used to be big into technology. That's why I watched the keynote for the iPhone. So that's just seeing something for the first time in the crowd of people also seeing it for the first time, just kind of an enjoyment. You get what I'm saying? So we do have the FX, the SnapFX. All right. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's just another charging stand? Do you think, like, just let me know what you all think about this. I like the ideal of it. I'm a big fan of the Crazy Good box. I like yes, we have like when people talk about the Crazy Good box, yes, we have charging stands, but you got this one box with everything in it. You get what I'm saying? Yes, you can put your, yes, you can put your clippers just back on the charge, let them charge, but it's different when you can just take out a battery and just reload the clip. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's different, man. I like that. I'm excited to try these out. So give me about a week or two to really get a feel of these, and I'll come back with a review, because I am really happy with this. I like the design. I do think the stands are a little bulky, but like if I had a bigger station, let's say I had like the toolbox, stations, you'll have enough room for that. You know what I'm saying? So that I'm just talking about my station. You know what I mean? But all in all, I'm happy about this. I'm gonna actually put these to use and get some good use. Like, I'm gonna try to make these my clippers to really see that battery life, to really see how long one battery lasts. Because it is one thing to have unlimited battery life, but it's another thing to have unlimited battery life, but each battery only lasts an hour. Because yes, it's still a good idea, but if each thing only lasts an hour, it's like, you know what I mean? So I do want to see, and I'm pretty sure they don't last just an hour. They have, Babyliss clippers have been good on a 2-hour runtime. I think the Boost FX trimmers last a little bit longer. I got a review coming on them too, so I'm trying to, get good use out of them. But I think this is a good idea to at least try out. You fail, but you at least tried it out. You get what I'm saying? So drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think the SnapFX is a good idea? Or do you think they just shooting this shit and just dropping something? Let me know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike it. And like I said, let me know what you think about the SnapFX. And I'll be back with a review of them. Give me about a week, at least a week. Give me a week or two, and I'll be back with a review. Peace.